Welcome to Engine Explorer, my YouTube channel, where today we're diving into one of the most jaw-dropping luxury motorhomes of 2026. A true masterpiece on wheels that blends technology, comfort, and style into something you have to see to believe. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a luxury mansion rolling down the highway, designed for those who refuse to compromise between travel and first-class living. Right from the outside, the 2026 luxury motorhome commands attention. The exterior design features sleek, automotive-inspired lines with full-length panoramic windows that give it a futuristic presence. The paint finish is available in multiple custom colors and even offers a self-healing coating that keeps the surface looking brand new by repairing small scratches over time. You also get full LED matrix headlights and dynamic taillights that make this motorhome look like it belongs in a premium car lineup, not just an RV park. Step inside, and this is where the real magic begins. The interior is a blend of modern architecture and five-star hotel luxury. You're greeted with a spacious open floor plan with premium hardwood floors, soft-touch leather panels, and customizable ambient lighting that sets the perfect mood for any occasion. The living area features an expandable slide-out system that increases interior space with just one touch, making the lounge area feel as big as a city apartment. The kitchen is equipped with state-of-the-art appliances, a full-size induction cooktop, a smart convection oven, a double-door refrigerator, and even a built-in wine cooler. The countertops are made from polished quartz, giving a clean and luxurious look while being highly durable. There's also a smart control system that lets you manage temperature, lighting, and appliances from a central touchscreen or even through voice commands. Moving towards the bedroom, you get a king-sized memory foam bed with adjustable firmness, a huge skylight above for stargazing at night, and automated blackout blinds for privacy. The storage options are endless with hidden compartments and custom wardrobes. The bathroom feels like a spa with a rainfall shower, heated floors, and a backlit mirror with built-in defogger. This motorhome takes self-care on the road to the next level. Technology lovers will be impressed by the fully integrated infotainment system. Multiple 4K OLED displays are positioned throughout the cabin, paired with a 3D surround sound system that turns movie nights into a cinematic experience. The entire motorhome is Wi-Fi enabled with satellite connectivity, so you're always online no matter where you park. Under the hood, this luxury motorhome doesn't disappoint. It's powered by a next-generation hybrid diesel-electric powertrain, giving you excellent fuel efficiency for a vehicle of this size, with the ability to run silently in electric-only mode for shorter trips. Advanced air suspension makes the ride incredibly smooth even on rough terrains, and the driver gets a full digital cockpit with a 360-degree camera view, adaptive cruise control, and lane-keeping assist for stress-free driving. This 2026 luxury motorhome is not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle statement. It's designed for travelers, adventurers, and anyone who wants to bring the comfort of a luxury suite anywhere the road takes them. Whether you're parking in a scenic mountain range, near a beach, or just exploring the countryside, this motorhome makes every stop feel like home. So if you're looking for the ultimate travel experience with zero compromise on comfort or technology, the 2026 luxury motorhome is your dream on wheels. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dive reviews of the most exciting vehicles coming in 2026.